This IOX installation video is designed to be used when attempting an installation in a vehicle, used in combination with the Geotab Go device and a certified Geotab IOX USB harness. Find an optimal location for install where GPS and cell connectivity are available. Start with the Geotab Go device unplugged from the vehicle. Remove the IOX expansion port cover on your Go device. Plug in the 90-degree USB connector of the IOX Go device. Note, the USB connector can only be inserted in one orientation, as shown here. Secure the USB connector using a zip tie. Place the zip tie around the Go device and the harness. Ensure that the zip tie lays in the grooved space, both on the Go device and on the head of the harness. Be sure that the zip tie fits snugged around both ports, while being careful not to over-tighten it, thereby possibly damaging the USB connector. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Locate the end of the cable from the tablet and connect it to the IOX USB. Be sure to run the cable in a way such that it will not interfere with the safe operation of the vehicle. The best location to attach a tablet is on the vehicle windshield using a mount or suction cup. When using a suction cup, ensure the mounting surface is thoroughly clean and dry. Squeeze the suction cup in place firmly until secure. Locate the diagnostic port of the vehicle under the dashboard and plug in the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps, and all LEDs will flash. Start the vehicle immediately. The IOX will enter self-learn mode, and your Go device will enter debug mode. You'll now see a screen displaying the current status of the device. If the device is communicating correctly, you will see green lettering on the last valid GPS record. If the text appears red, the device is unable to communicate and you must verify the installation. Next, secure the Go device by using a zip tie around the diagnostic port and the Go device. Be sure that the zip tie is tightened securely and fits snug around both parts. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Check to ensure that the device is now secure. The installation is now complete.